Why MRCT? As shown in the content of History of Drug Evaluation using foreign clinical data in Japan, MRCTs can be a powerful tool to facilitate efficient drug development. This lesson explains that MRCTs can not only eliminate drug lag in specific regions, but also benefit all regions by enabling simultaneous global development. The bridging strategy is essentially based on the concept of using preceding data from other regions in drug development in specific, often single regions, and therefore the kind of development lag shown in the content of History of Drug Evaluation using foreign clinical data in Japan, and by extension, drug lag, cannot be completely eliminated. However, by incorporating MRCTs into the development strategy, more efficient drug development may be facilitated, thus providing earlier access to new drugs worldwide. Drug development now takes place on a global scale and is no longer conducted only in specific regions. The data show the trend in the registration of trials on the WHO International Clinical Trials Registry Platform, or ICTRP, from 1999 to 2021, grouped by WHO region. The year corresponds to the date of enrollment of the first trial participant. You can see that the number of drugs under development is increasing over the years in the world. It is important to avoid duplication of clinical trials conducted in each region, and trials should be conducted efficiently so that the data required for each region can be obtained from the minimum necessary number of trials. In the past, drug development in each region was conducted in sequence. That means approval in Region A comes first, then Region B comes second, therefore approval in other regions has been delayed. At the present time, utilization of MRCTs has become general, and many MRCTs are conducted. Approval comes in some regions at the same time. Consequently, patient access in some regions is becoming faster than in the past. The advantage of MRCTs is, of course, faster patient access, but it is not limited to that. All of the MRCT participant regions can contribute to public health in other regions, as well as in their own region, through providing clinical data as a part of MRCT. Participating in MRCTs constantly and providing reliable data will lead to building good relationships of trust with other regions. From another point of view, MRCTs enable large-scale trials to be conducted compared to single-region trials. Incorporating the MRCT option into drug development will lead to a more diverse, selectable strategy. MRCTs may be a promising option if it can be determined that the impact of ethnic factors on the treatment effect is not significant, given the characteristics of the drug under development. Even in cases where MRCTs are conducted, development may be made more efficient by selecting appropriate regions in consideration of study objectives, primary endpoints, disease characteristics, and differences in characteristics to be considered among regions. However, if a major ethnic factor that affects the treatment effect of a drug is present and cannot be mitigated, it may be appropriate to conduct a study in a single region or country. To date, MRCTs have become general in some regions. In the near future, more regions will receive benefits from MRCT-driven simultaneous drug development. Considering such a situation, new challenges and needs have been brought up from various regions and stakeholders to standardize MRCTs as much as possible, followed by the development of the ICH E17 guideline. As we have shown thus far, MRCTs are a powerful tool for coping with global public health issues and a rapid paradigm shift. We live in an age where drug development should be advanced in cooperation with regulators in the world, as well as other stakeholders such as industries and academia. We also live in an age where experience and knowledge sharing are necessary. We would like to see international cooperation so that MRCTs can be used more effectively in the future.